Very good morning to all of you. This is your maths class. Before starting our class, let us take a pledge. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Today we are going to start our next exercise 6.2. It is about the division of the decimals. So in this exercise we are going to do the division of our decimals. For example, in our first question we are going to simply divide the numbers. So the first is 1614.62 divided by 3.8. So you just need to divide the numbers. So for that, firstly you have to remove the decimal from the divisor. So for that we are removing decimal from this number and we are moving the number in the dividend from one place to the right hand side. The number of digits after the decimal in divisor, they will shift to the dividend. So here the decimal, here it was 1614.62 and here it was 3.8. So we are shifting this decimal to this place. Here the decimal was after 4, but when we shift the decimal from divisor to dividend, it will move to the 6. So simply then divide it. That would be our answer. The first question, this will be done in this same manner. So moving to our second question, if 25 kg of sugar cost rupees 101.25, how much will 1 kg cost? So simply just write down 2.5 kg sugar is equals to rupees 101.25. How much 1 kg? Simply 1 kg sugar is equals to 101.25 divided by 2.5. So you just need to divide it simply. So for that we are shifting our decimal to one place, this side. That will become this, and then you have to divide. So you just simply divide this number with 25. 25 for the 100, that is 1, 2, 0, then point decimal 5. So that would be, so 1 kg sugar will cost rupees 40.5. Next question is, density of a substance is given by formula density is equals to mass upon volume. Calculate the density of iron in gram centimeter cube if a piece of iron of volume this weighs this much. So we have given with the formula, that is density is equals to mass upon volume. The mass is given to us, that is 19.675 kg, and the volume is 2.50 cube centimeter. So for that you just simply need to divide these numbers. That would become, so firstly remove the decimal. The decimal will be shifted to 1, 2 places to the right hand side. That would become, so you just need to divide, and that would be our density. And what will be the units of density? They will be kg centimeter. I hope you all get the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.